So we got this illustration. The area of the smaller of the two circle that touches the parabola this at the point this. So you know that it is right and x-axis as well. Okay, so your circle should touch the parabola at this point and also it should touch x-axis. So suppose that this is x-axis. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll drop down two circles. Okay, look at this. Okay, so now look at this. Now can we have a parabola which will pass this way? Please, yaar. Suppose, please. Okay, manage. Okay, I'll draw that one more time. I'll try once. Now, this is okay. So you know that this point is what? 1, 2. Okay. Now we are interested, like on this 1, 2, you will have two circles which will touch this point. Also x-axis. Okay. Now look at this. I feel that you guys are talking about tangent. So if tangent, now think about tangent, normal. Okay, you know that while dealing with circles, the circle or like center of a circle passes through the normal. Okay, so to write down equation of circle, we need what? A radius and the center. So for center, I am thinking about normal. Okay, so let's try to reach normal. So you know that we don't know how to find normal. So what I'll do, I'll find out tangent. So I'll go with tangent first by t equals to 0. So y1, we want tangent at this point. So y1 equals 4 times x plus x1 by 2. Okay, so can I write like this will become 2 and this 2 gone. So can I write x minus y plus 1? So this is your normal, sorry, tangent, correct? Now I'll write normal. You know that normal equation, like how to find out equation of straight line perpendicular to given line. We used to interchange the coefficient. So it is 1 and 1 only. So we have interchanged and we used to change one of the signs. So here it is minus, so I'll put plus. For extra we will put lambda, and how we will get value of lambda? By substituting the point. Okay, so I'll substitute. So the lambda value will be what? 1 plus 2 plus lambda. So lambda equals to minus 3. So equation of normal will be what? 0, x plus y minus 3. So you got your equation of normal. Okay, and you know that the center of a circle will stay on this point, this line only. So suppose this is the thing. Okay, you know that we have equation of tangent. Later I'll take one more help from this part. Okay, so who is this one? Can I write x minus y plus 1 equals to 0? Now look at this. I want to imagine a point. Okay, like what will be the center of a circle? So suppose that the radius is r, so height would be r because it is touching x-axis. Okay, so height will represent radius. So, and you also know that the center will lie on this line as well. So can I say that the center will be r comma 3 minus r? Just tell me. Why I did this thing? I have assumed that the radius of the circle would be r. So you know that it is on x-axis, it is touching x-axis. So height will decide the radius, no? Height means what? Y-axis. So y is r. So if y is r, if you will substitute value of y as r, you will get value of x as 3 minus r. So you got your center. Okay. Now what I'll do, look at this. I'll connect perpendicular distance of the center to the tangent and then radius. I'll compare the radius. Okay. So you know that distance from center will be equal to radius, है ना? So distance, so like point satisfaction upon root under a square plus b square. So 3 minus r plus 1 upon root over a square plus b square. So 1 plus 1, is that okay, is equal to r. Okay, so it is 4 minus 2r. So can I go with squaring both side, है ना? So it is 4 minus 2r whole square. So 16 plus 2r, it will become what? 4r square minus 4 8 16, 16r is equal to 2r square. Just tell me this is correct or wrong. Now I'll ask everyone to come this side. So it will become 2r square minus 16r plus 16 is equal to 0. Now I'll divide both sides by 2. So r square minus 8r plus 8 is equal to 0. Now we will find value of r. So it is minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it will become what? 32. This thing will become 32, root 32. So 16 into 2, 32. So can I go with 4 root 2? Okay. So can I write 4 plus minus 2 root 2 as the radius? Can I write r1 as 4 plus 2 root 2 and r2 as 4 minus 2 root 2? Okay. Now look at the question again. We are interested in smaller of the two circle. So smaller, you know that smaller circle will have smaller radius, correct? Now if we are interested in finding area, so area is what? Area is pi r square. So can I write pi? I'll take 2 common, so 2 will become 4 and then 2 minus root 2 whole square, square unit. Okay, I hope the idea is clear. Now you can solve this kind of similar questions.